In this video, we will learn about what is material. On a daily basis, we see a wide variety of objects around us. All the objects need not be of same size or shape or color, etc. They all differ not only in shape, size and color, but they also differ in their composition. That means they are made up of different materials. For example, we have plastic, from which we can make bottles, containers, etc. Then we have glass. Again, glass can have different objects like glass windows, glass utensils, glassware, etc. Some objects are made up of paper while others are made up of soil or mud. Some may be made up of plastic as mentioned earlier, while others are made up of glass. Now, wood, metal, fiber, steel and leather are some more examples of materials that are used on a daily basis. And any substance that is used to create an object is referred to as a material. Now, if we see objects like pencil, chair, table, door, etc., they are generally made up of the material that is the wood. They can be also made up of some metals, plastic, etc. Now, book, duster, pencil box, etc. are rectangular in shape. We can group these given objects on the basis of materials they are made up of as well as their shape. Now, this process of grouping things based on a common feature or on the basis of same criteria, the science behind this grouping is known as classification. Now, to understand this better, let's see an activity to group the objects. Now, our aim of this experiment is to group objects on the basis of materials they are made up of. So, what are the objects required? For example, whatever we see around us. Example, pencil, sharpener, eraser, mug, a pin, pen, pencil box, a chalk, duster, bread, toys, lunch box, soap, toothbrush, etc. can be collected as per your convenience. Now make sure to collect as many objects as possible, so it makes us to understand more criteria of how to classify objects. Now the procedure here is to identify the objects which are made up of plastic and which are not made up of plastic. So non-plastic can be a wood material, it can be made up of steel, it can be made up of iron, it can be made up of glass and so on. So all of them will be classified under non-plastic material. Now we have to write those names in the table given. Now if we observe, so first we will see and classify which are plastic materials. Now on a daily basis, our sharpener can be made up of plastic. Eraser is rubber, so it's a non-plastic. Now we have pencil, so pencil is made up of wood. Then we have mug. Mug can be made up of plastic or ceramic, but generally it is made up of ceramic, so we'll write that here. A pin will not be made up of plastic. Pen can be made up of plastic. Pencil box can be made up of plastic. Then we have chalk powder, that is non-plastic material. Then we have a duster. Duster, the outer holder will be plastic. Then we have bread, which is made up of flour, so it's not plastic. Toys can be made up of plastic. Our lunch box can be made up of plastic. Soap is not a plastic material. And at last we have toothbrush, which is made up of plastic. So like this we can classify objects based on the materials they are made up of. Hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.